guys, it's Tammy, and I just have a quick tip for you. I was making a card, and I guess I could show you the card. I just put it away. But I was making a card, and I needed a bow to match. And this is the card that I was making. And I wanted to make a bow, but I wanted it to match the card, and I didn't have one. And I had used these pretty colors on this card, and I used this ink spray in vibrant turquoise. And I have white ribbon. So I thought, you know what? Why don't I try to dye the ribbon? And it worked beautifully. A couple of sprays and it turned the ribbon that color. So if I wanted to do a longer piece, I could. Like if I want to do a piece that will go like on the front of a card, I can. But I'm going to show you also a ribbon, a bow, so that you can see that as well. So I'm just going to tie this in a little bow. Just like that. And then I'm just going to trim off the tails. That way. And I'm going to use the same color ink, so I just have it in here. I just have it on some scrap paper. And you literally just have to spray. That's it. And then I pulled them away. Look, that's kind of funny. So let's see, this is the back of that one. That whole thing is saturated. The back isn't totally saturated, but that's okay because you're going to put your glue dot there, so then you wouldn't have to wait for it to totally dry before you put your glue dot, although it is very quick drying. So that's the tip for today, or for this week. If you guys need a certain color ribbon and you have some spray, go for it. And it's awesome. I'm like super impressed with this. It makes it look so cool, and it's so easy to do. I want to see how wet it is if I push on it. I mean, look, see how dry already. This one's a little wetter. But I am super impressed. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.